There, my grandson. Hawak niya yung aso. Tingnan mo, nakaupo yung aso. Hawak na hawak niya. Tingnan mo. You know, his dog, he's, quiet and nice. Very nice dog. No, he don't bark. He like, to play. It's like a baby. It's only 4 months. Hi, I forgot his name now.
Sergeant.
Hi, Sergeant. How are you, Sergeant? Sergeant, hey, come here. Come here. Come here, Sergeant. Come here, Sergeant. You see? You wanna see in the? You wanna be in the video? You wanna be in the video? Huh, Sergeant? Oh no, you don't know in here. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sergeant.
George. Yeah. Just used to be allowed on the couch.
Love you, Sergeant.
Hello everyone, this is Butch and Lucy's Life
Okay, guys,
the
don't
USA.
forget to share my
This is
channel.
Butch and Lucy's Life in the USA. Subscribe on YouTube.
And don't forget to
Thank you very
subscribe and share. Love you. That's my daughter. And that's my grandson, another grandson. That's my another grandson, so it's walking. Okay. It's been my dog. And this is my youngest grandson, Troy. And there is, Boots. Hi. Okay, don't forget to share, you guys, and don't forget to subscribe too. God bless
much.
you
I'm gonna erase
guys.
that one,
Love
though.
you.
I kind of messed up. How you erase it?
Bye.